Hiya. Here we go again. Something else has been delivered. Let's have a look. See what we got here. I think that's all there is in the box. Yep. So, this is the guard that I always buy to fit on my fat bikes. As you can see, poppers on. It's a really cool piece of kit, the way it works. So basically, it'll go on the frame, down the frame on the down tube part, like behind the front wheel. And basically, I've used these. I bought my first one to protect water hitting my battery, really. But I found them so good, I've put them on every fat bike I've had. And it comes with a nice bit of fitting kit here. If I can get it out and show you. It's quite tough getting it all out. But it all comes out. You have to break these seals, which is, in a way, it's a pain. But in a way, it's a good idea because you know that it's not been used by anybody else. But yeah, you get a couple of rubbers. I'll unpack the whole thing and then you can see what you get in the back in the box. They're really good. So there's your fitting frame, which is quite cool. As you can see, that's how it poppers onto them, and you get your shape and everything like, which is cool. You get a set of rubbers to actually put it on without using I can't remember what the tool's called, what you do it with, but nutsert, that's it. I mean, I'll put it on, I'll fit it with nutserts, because once it's on there for good then. But yeah, so there's your simplified fitting instructions for it, like, you know. But yeah, so when I'm fitting it, I'll do another video just showing you how to fit them. It's quite simple, really. All I tend to do is line this part up with my where I want it on the frame to protect the battery. And yeah, so I just line it up sort of like that. Mark out 2 holes, one at the top, one at the bottom. Then I'll drill 2 holes in my frame. Then I'll put 2 nutserts in. And yeah. So the nutsert, if you don't know what I'm on about, a nutsert is basically it's what your bottle cage is held on your framework with. Same thing. So it's all done properly. So any strength you take out once you've drilled, you put back in when you put the nutsert in. So, you know, so it's no different whatsoever. And I've done it on every bike I've ever had, so I know it works okay. But yeah, this is the fat bike one. There is another one that you can get, which is a lot thinner than this one. But this is the fat bike version. But yeah, and it's really easy to clean as well. Like I say, you can take it off if you want to take it off and clean it, or you can just clean it on the bike. Anyway, I've got a few more unboxing videos to pop in here. And also I'll follow up with a fitting video at some point when I can get out there, when the weather gets better and stuff. Okay, so hope you all have a good Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all. Okay, so just leaves me to say, get out and ride.